Hello everyone, welcome back to TechnoArc. Today's video is on how we can rotate an object with reference points in AutoCAD. Normally, we know how to rotate objects in CAD, but many don't know about how we can rotate those objects with reference points. So let's get started. Now we can see the object is in slant position. So I want the vertical side to be in the alignment of y-axis. So I am gonna select the object, type RO enter to rotate the object. Then click the first reference point and enter. Now type R, enter. Again select the first reference point and then the other reference point. Now as I want the object on vertical axis, so I am keeping my ortho on and placing it vertically. That's it. Thank you.